If you want to change keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down and go to General Management, then choose Samsung Keyboard Settings, and then here you should be able to find Theme. Unfortunately, there are not many options to choose from. More precisely, we have 2 light and 2 dark themes. Besides that, we can also enable high contrast keyboard, where as you can see we can use one of these themes as well. However, they are not really that cool, to be honest. Unless someone actually likes them, then that's fine, of course. But if you're looking for more themes, then unfortunately you will need to get a new keyboard. And as an example, you can go to Play Store and you can get Gboard, which is a keyboard made by Google. So we can install it, and once you install it and once you set it up, you will find definitely much more customization options for the theme. So let's open it. First we need to enable the keyboard in the settings. So here we need to first enable it. So over here we can tap on the switcher where it says Gboard, press OK. And then we can also set it as default over here. You can press done. I think I broke it, but we can go back. There we go. And here if you go to theme, as you can see, there are much more colors to choose from. We also have some landscapes, gradients, and we can also create our own theme. So let's say if I choose red one, it looks like this. And let's choose this gradient over here. As you can see, it looks pretty cool. If we apply it, and if we go to messages, for example, once you open the keyboard, you will see that we have a new theme. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.